to come out and straight away start trying to middle it and be striking at 200 himself. And he's got his partner's giving him a little bit of a cushion. There's no need for any silly shots early on.
Oh, smashed. What a shot of the last ball of the over. Spoils the fun for Ali Shafiq, but boy, did he time it or what? 22 without a wicket.
About numbers than other forms of the game. I think they're far more important than... Oh, that's just hammered.
Yeah, there's some brilliance. Brilliance from Lyinn here. So Packer's going, and now Lyinn down the ground, and the two shots have been what's impressed me. Playing one through the offside with width, and this one down the ground. It is brute strength that he uses. Doesn't necessarily get himself in the best positions, but he just swings through the line. And my gut...
Where is he going? Criss Lyinn. Mid-wicket or over cover? Point does it quite nicely.
We've seen a couple of boundaries, and I hate to say it, but the deliveries have been pies. They really have just needed to go to the boundary because it's been served up on a plate, and Criss Lyinn doesn't have to take any risk. He just gets bat on ball, threads it through.
Are they? Inside edge will do it quite nicely for Criss Lyinn. He's going to tee off.
Oh, where was that going? He didn't want it to go there. He'll take the result. It's another boundary, and 47 is the fifth over. It's a dynamite start, far from leg stump, and he quickly turns, doesn't he? 5,000 runs in his T20 career, and that's what he specialises in. And now he's got T10. He was the player of the tournament. That's how it looks. So it's been changed because of everything going on in the world. So 2 semi-finals and then a final.
That's hit hard for 6. Skimmer, flat 6. Criss Lyinn is turning it on. 50 is raised in no time, 4.2.
Another go look.